Hey guys, we're back with more Soul Silver. Sorry. I kinda need to keep quiet. So anyway, yeah, we're back with some more Pokemon Soul Silver. After a long day. Sorry for the long cutoff, but it's been really busy lately. So anyways, a month off. We got some Pokeballs, I believe. Yeah. We're allowed to catch Pokemon, and just gonna run. Hoot, I don't like you, Hoot. Notice Rex. You might have learned from the earlier episodes. Notice Rex like Hoots. So we'll probably go up today. Oh, how'd you live that? It was a stab. Freaking Totodile. Totodile, as you might know, is awesome. I know I've been teaching a big game with this Let's Play, but there's one level I want to skip in the game. And don't worry, it's pretty easy. You just have to fight some bosses and stuff, so I just gonna do that level. I mean, I hate that level. Here's the Pokemon I wanted to catch. Come on. I already learned that water gun won't kill it, but I'm just looking to see if a scratch would. So let's Pokeball this thing. And hopefully we will catch a Rattata. Now I've only got a bit of time to do some stuff with this, so yeah, we'll name him we'll name him what the okay. Sorry about that. Swing. Okay. I'm sorry about that. It's kind of needed. I'm gonna go Dork. Dork is his nickname. Now we gotta train up Dork. Sorry if you might see some reflection in the background. I'm playing this in my room, and I turned off all the lights, so you clearly couldn't see anything in the background. I'm not just gonna run, so I don't want to get. Sorry about that. I want to get some EXP. Dork sucks. No offense, Dork. Soon will be a nice full-grown Rattata. Oh, I accidentally took the screen. For like a split second. Stop growling at me. How does a bird even growl? I'm trying to ask that. How does a bird even growl? You're like, yeah. How does a bird even growl? I'll probably make 2 videos today and then upload one today and one tomorrow. Yeah, it's perfect. 6:30. 6 minutes, 30 seconds long. And I need to cut off my commentary. sorry. I need to cut off my commentary. Do absolutely nothing. Except that one. Come on, I at least want to get to Cherry Grove. Yeah, I'm gonna make one today. Run away. Wait, why am I talking? Now I'll talk. I need to get there quicker. There we are, Cherry Grove. This video will stop. 7 minutes. I'm at 7 minutes. It's about 6. Almost done. Should be done in a bit. And tomorrow I'll probably upload another video. After this battle, I'm stopping this video. Okay, why do I have Rattata? Why is there another Rattata? Yes, Kid Icarus will be coming up next soon. Like I said, I'm going to be skipping just one level. You know, because I'm scared of one picture. Yay. Give me nightmares. Yeah, there. We're done with this video. Ooh, Dork, level 3. That was awesome. Alright, so yeah. Save the video. We'll save and video will end. Come on. Really, come on. I need to stop this video. Are you gonna save? No save? No save. Really, no save? There we go.